Welcome to Weary Wolf Adventures. Today I've got a bit of fun for the festive season. I've got a festive hamper mystery box opening. I absolutely love watching mystery box opening. I get a hamper every year from work. Why not share it with you guys on the channel? So this hamper is beer and nibbles. And let's open it up, see what we get. And the first one out the box, we have some sweet Mr. Filbert sweet chili rice crackers. So these are Asian saviours, Korean inspired. Next up we have the Dhl zesty lime and fiery chili peanut and cashew mix. 10-acre vegan hand-cooked fried chicken flavoured potato crisps. Take a look at a couple of the beers. Shepherd's Watch, a rich dark ale, world top, and 6% volume. We have another World's Way. So this one comes in at 4%. A Golden Pale Ale, this one. We have some Bramble Foods all butter smoked cheese palmiers. Great Newsom's Sleck Dust. So this is a blonde beer from Yorkshire Farm Brewery, 3.8%. Bay Tree Smoked Salsa, got 2 chili rating on it, so reasonably warm. I reckon those cheese palmiers will go nicely in this salsa. Seahorse from Salcombe Brewery, 4.4% volume. An Amber Ale, another one from Salcombe Brewery. We've got Gold, a refreshing hoppy ale, and this one comes in at 4.2. Another one from Great Newsom, Cold Snap, a hoppy lager, 5.2%. A couple of cans left in the box. We've got Belfield Ale. This is a citrusy ale, 3.8%. Belfield Lawless Village IPA, that comes in at 4.5%, and that's a copper coloured aromatic beer. That's a really nice festive hamper. There's some really nice beers there which I'm looking forward to trying, and some great snacks to go with them. Last year I took the option for a movie night in, and that came with a load of popcorn and snacks and chocolate and some fizzy drinks. I'm really happy with this selection this year. So yeah, great festive little hamper. Thought I'd make a fun little unboxing and to share with you guys a few of the different drinks. Thank you for watching. Check out my other reviews, my other unboxing content, and if you're a regular to this channel, enjoy the festive season. I hope you have a great Christmas, and I hope to speak to you soon in the comment section. Thank you for watching.